Welcome back. Sakuvuselana uNosandza kusivulela besisho ukuthi will be joined today by Thokozani Mahlinza from Lidwala Insurance. He joins us today to talk to us about workmen's compensation ngokuthi iyini le cover lena and why is it critical for employees to have this cover. Very good morning Mahlinza, sakumukela kakusele breakfast show siyabonga ukuthi ube nathi namuhla. I think namhla sibuka itopic lemcoka kakhulu because ama injuries ayendeka emisebenzini and kubalekile ukuthi abese athola leyo mali leyo ukuthi atawukhona ukuthi abese ayati ayesibedlela ayothola lisito noma ka compensate for the injury. I think kungaba kusichazela nje ukuthi vele yini lelihlobo lale cover lena, what is the workmen's compensation?
Thank you so much Lungelele. Mhlawumbe umuntu angaqala ngekuvusela viewers eSwatini television siphindze futhi sivusele onke clients alidwala insurance. Yes. So workmen's compensation ideally it's an statutory insurance policy that was established by Workmen's Compensation Act of 1983. It's a policy that is ideal for bonke baqashi labakhona even laseSwatini. It was actually designed to cover and compensate disebenti lekutawuthi kwendeke dilimale whilst tisaqhubeka nemsebenzi wato noma ke tisaya ngakhona emisebenzini iyosebenta. So iphindza futhi compensate disebenti in the event of illness, probably due to the environment letisebenta around yona. And lastly, a compensator in the event leso sisebenti mhlawumbe as a result of leyo ngoti kutholakala ukuthi ngebhadi mhlambe sesiyashona leso sisebenti.
Okay. Yeah, I think nanguva kahle bale timvo leti 3 sebenzina silimala sisemsebenzini, sebenzina silimala nasaya emsebenzini, also sisebenzina nasilimala due to le environment. Ngifuna ukuva kahle naye ukuthi nangisaya emsebenzini ingabe ibuka ini le cover leyo, ngiyabekisa nje ngisendlini ngiyageza mhlambe ngisebhavini sengiyashelela ngiyawa ngiye emsebenzini icala kuphi lokungicover noma mhlambe itawucala kungicover nasengiphu
Thank you so much Lungelele for that question. Workmen's compensation iqala kucoverisha si-70 the minute siphuma nje endlini sikhiya umnyango for purposes of going to work though, not ukuthi so tihambela tindlela takho. So itacoverisha the minute uphuma endlini uthi uya emsebenzini up until ubuye. But I think it is worth mentioning ukuthi lesikhathi sekubuya siyabuka, it's usually a reasonable time. You are allowed ukuthi ungaphuma mhlambe wenga eShoprite uthenge isinkwa sebantwana then uye ekhaya. Sitawubekisa nje sithi mawuhlala kaManzini angeke uze kwendeke ukuthi uthathe 2 hours kusuka la uye kaManzini.
So naloko kuyabuka ukuthi usuke emsebenzini nga5 nibuka nalama hours as well.
It's reasonable time.
Okay.
Yes. So nasekutakwendeka nje ukhanza ukuthi so limala nga10 but uphume nga5. Chances are bongekho endleleni leya ekhaya mhlambe khona la uqala wathi khona. So the minute ujika seya breakeka ke workmen's compensation.
Okay. Nyalo ngifuna sibuke ke lama workplaces mhlambe lesingathi a require le workmen's compensation. Kukhona yini mhlambe lesingathi kunetinzawo tekusebentela leti superegna letinye noma ke kumcwa ukuthi vele le workmen's compensation lena tonke tenkampani nje lapha even tibe nayo.
Lungelele workmen's compensation apply across all sectors regardless kokuthi inkampani lencane noma ngilenkulu i-applya ku construction industry, manufacturing industry, retail industry, office work environment like lesihleti. So as long as uqashe bantfu lotabaholela, you are required to have a workman's compensation in place to protect disebenti takho.
Okay.
Mawumqashi.
All right. Bese athini ke ma legal responsibilities emqashi sekuthiwa mhlambe sengilimele on my way to work noma sengilimele ngisemsebentini noma sengilimele on my way back home. What's the first step nje la ithathako umqashi?
Okay, mhlambe before we go there, it is worth mentioning ukuthi kumqoka ukuthi umqashi akhiphe a safe working environment to avoid injuries disebentini takhe. So asisithi ke mhlambe sekwendekile leyo ngoti yendeka salimala sisebenti. Umqashi ubhekekile ukuthi kube nguye lothatha leso sisebenti asimikise esibhedlela. Engce lama medical bills latawu charge ngesibhedlela abheke ukuthi aphume kumqashi. Akhathalekile ke lungelele ukuthi umikisa kusiphi isibhedlela, be it a government or the private hospitals. You can take 70 sakho usimikise noma ngabe ngisiphi isibhedlela. Emva kwaloko you are obligated wena mqashi ukuthi uyireporte le injury etekweni le dakaleba.
Okay. So as ngiyabekisa nje clients noma ke inkampani yafika kini as a company ifuna insurance yalolu hlobo yini le niyibukako niyayibuka yini ukuthi ikuphi sector le company ubekisa ngaba construction niyakubuka yini lokho ukuthi okay ngiyabikisa wena ka construction mhlambe naye cover lekulungele yini le niyibukako as kuta a client ofuna ile insurance lena?
Lesikubukako lungelele nawe mbukeli ekhaya ukuthi le nkampani yakho yenda ini co business of le nkampani because i-risk ihlukile sine nje lokusiletila chances of us getting injured are minimal. Yet ku industries la faka ekhathi bo construction ngiyabekisa bo manufacturing transport and logistics, the risk is high ukuthi ema employees abe injured. So those are the things lesibukako sengesibuka ukuthi leti 70 takho ngiyabekisa nasho una driver mhlawumbe una bricklayer na secretary tihola malini ngenyanga each. Okay. Because le premium le stock charge yona is based ekuthenini lo muntu uhola malini ngenyanga nekuthi bangake ke labasebenzi leti 70 takho as a whole.
Okay.
Yes.
So because we're trying to convince companies to come to Lidwala Insurance, yini lihlukile ngani as a Lidwala Insurance? Why should companies come to you for this particular cover?
Okay, maybe before I can answer that question, I think it is also worth mentioning that over the years, ever since the establishment of the Workmen's Compensation Act of 1983, only one insurer, La Eswatini, was entitled to write the Workmen's Compensation business. Yes.
Okay.
But we are happy to say that monopoly has since come to an end through a notice that was published in a government gazette. So effective 1 April 2025, that is last year, all insurers lakhona Eswatini are now entitled to write a workman's compensation in their books. So we are here to remind all eMaSwati, all companies and organizations that the workman's compensation is now open to all insurance companies. But they also need to comply with EMA regulations labe FSRA regulator wawo onke EMA financial institutions kangwane.
Okay.
Yes.
Kokugcina nje Mahlinza 30 seconds. My contact details kumese nabantu labafisa ukubuta more questions about this particular cover. Ingabe baxhumana nani kanjani?
Okay, for those labangaladi Lidwala Insurance, Lidwala Insurance linema head office yalo itinde kaManzini. Ku Sivuno building, a 7th floor. Labaningi bathi ukuthi kuse KFC eTulu. Yes. Siphinde futhi sibe ne branch khona la edolobheni elikhulu eMbabane. Ibranch yethu ilapha ka Swazi Mobile lose celeni kwe Spare. Ungena la khathi Swazi Mobile wenyongwe itebhisi dasitfola lapha ngeTulu. My contact details ethu kaManzini inombolo ithi 25085600. eMbabane ithi 24049933.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. Thokozani sethemba ukuthi tinkampani na onke nje eMaSwati ayeva ukuthi nayi compensation cover iyatholakala ka Lidwala nje basavedile ke context details so ngachumana nabo kuva kabandi. We go for an ad break nasibuya sikhuluma ngabandi ngama business seminars hosted by the Youth Enterprise Revolving Fund.